How to ignore Messenger once to create a pin. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to the Messenger application and then tap on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. Reinstalling the app will also place back your data if the app is still available for download. See if the message still appears, and if yes, then go ahead and tap on the settings option again, and now scroll down and tap on apps, and then scroll down again and navigate to Messenger and tap on it. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, make sure all the toggle buttons in here are toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and allow permissions to all the options here. And if your issue is still not fixed, then make sure your Messenger application is updated. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Messenger and see if the app requires any type of update. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. And by now, you should no longer receive the same message again. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.